I'm not a DIY expert, but the Tuin cabin was very easy and really enjoyable. Firstly, the instructions. They were simple. I almost rang up to say they were missing, but then realised the schematics in the pack are the instructions. After unpacking and sorting the parts on my garage floor, it soon became clear. Basically, your full instructions are a combination of the Tuin website, their videos, their blog, and what's supplied in the pack. Everything's covered, just search around and check the user comments. After the foundation beams were cut and screwing some of the first logs to them, we were away. It only took a few hours to have all the logs in place and the windows and the door frame. It was like a life-size Lego kit. There were a few logs I thought were spare until near the end, and then I realised I needed them, so don't throw anything away until you're finished. I had to remove quite a few bent nails from the door frame before I could get it in place. I'm not sure what that was about, but it wasn't too much hassle, and I suspect it doesn't happen all the time. Putting the hinges in was one of the hardest parts. It took ages to screw them into the frame. I used an Allen key as a wrench to make it easier. We had some small gaps and imperfect fits before we put the roof on. I was concerned we'd done something wrong or had a bent log, but once the roof was on, it all seemed okay. The roof was the trickiest bit. It was back-breaking. The little triangles at the very top of each roof section need to be glued in place because the first two I nailed in shattered. I also thought I was going to run out of shingles, but had more than enough left over. Even though the shingles going up the roof were 12 in total, going up the ridges there were 15. I used a hook-style Stanley knife blade to cut the shingles. It was lots easier. Last tip, order your stain at the same time. It took a while for my stain to arrive.